Just 1 glass is enough, and your houseplants will grow like never before. Your ZZ plant will sprout new shoots, and your orchids will bloom profusely. From now on, you won't need fertilizers from the store. This homemade natural fertilizer will bring all your plants to life. It works perfectly for orchids, cacti, succulents, ZZ plants, anthuriums, and peace lilies. And all you need is an ingredient found in most kitchen cabinets: lentils. They are full of phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins C, B6, A, and K. It's a complete source of nutrients that will stimulate your plant's growth. So, if your plants need a boost or aren't growing as you'd like, try this lentil fertilizer. The results will be impressive. Pour about ½ liter of water into a container. Add 3 tablespoons of lentils. You can use any color lentils, as all types are rich in minerals and vitamins. Let this water sit for a few hours. The lentils will release many valuable nutrients into the water, which will change color. Take another container and strain the lentils using a sieve. This water is the perfect fertilizer for watering your plants. It will strengthen the roots, keep the leaves healthy, and stimulate flowering plants to bloom. Use this free fertilizer once a month. You'll see noticeable results with regular use over at least 3 months. You can also use lentil powder. Prepare a small blender. Add 3 tablespoons of lentils and grind them into a fine powder. This amount will be enough for a few pots. If you need more, grind additional portions of lentils. Store the powder in a jar. Use a small amount of the powder per pot. Sprinkle it onto the soil and mix it with the substrate. This way, the plant will be fertilized gradually. You can add another portion of fertilizer after 30 days. Your plants will grow healthy and beautiful. Do this with your orchid, and it will bloom all year round. Start by taking a large bowl and filling it with water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Place 3 mandarins in the bowl and let them soak for 30 minutes. The baking soda will remove any pesticide residues and impurities from the fruit. Meanwhile, prepare eggshells by crushing them into smaller pieces with a mortar. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium, which strengthens plant roots and supports healthy leaf development. Next, take a large jar and add the crushed eggshells. Pour 300 milliliters of hot water over them and let it sit for 30 minutes to release the minerals. Return to the mandarins, remove them from the water, and peel them. Mandarin peels are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C. Cut the peels into smaller pieces. Once the water with the eggshells has cooled, fill the jar almost to the top with water. Add the prepared mandarin peels and stir well. Seal the jar and place it in a cool spot for 24 hours to allow the ingredients to combine thoroughly. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Your homemade fertilizer is ready to use. Spray your orchid's leaves both on top and underneath. You can also use the fertilizer to water the roots. Use it regularly, and your orchids will bloom more abundantly and for a longer time. The combination of these ingredients will deliver amazing results. You have to try it. Start by taking a few potatoes and peeling them. Potatoes are not only one of the most popular vegetables on our tables, but also packed with nutrients. While we usually use the flesh, the peels often end up in the trash. That's a big mistake. Potato peels are rich in valuable nutrients like starch, potassium, phosphorus, and various trace elements. Instead of throwing them away, you can use them at home. Take a tall jar and fill it with the potato peels, leaving some space at the top. Then cover the peels completely with water. Once the jar is full, seal it and place it in the refrigerator for 2 days. After 2 days, strain the water through a sieve. Your fertilizer is ready. You can use this nutrient-rich water to water houseplants, garden flowers, and even vegetables. It's incredibly nourishing for plants. Thanks to this mineral boost, your plants will bloom abundantly, and their flowers will grow strong. This simple and eco-friendly method turns potato peels into a true elixir for your plants. Your Christmas cactus will be bursting with flowers. All it takes is using these secret fertilizers to make the plant bloom like crazy. The Christmas cactus, also known as the Schlumbergera, is named for its winter blooming season. To keep it thriving, feed it natural fertilizers during watering. Simply add 1 tablespoon to water and pour it over your cactus. It turns out that a spoonful of coffee grounds is a key ingredient to stimulate flowering. Coffee has a slightly acidic pH, making it an ideal fertilizer for acid-loving plants like the Christmas cactus. Additionally, coffee grounds contain nitrogen and other nutritious minerals. To prepare this fertilizer, mix 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with half a liter of water. Stir well and water the plant with it. Repeat the process every 2 weeks. You can also use leftover brewed coffee. Just dilute it in a 1:5 ratio before watering. Another excellent ingredient for fertilizer can also be found in your kitchen, a banana peel. With its help, your Christmas cactus will be covered in blooms. Don't throw away the peel after eating a banana. It's incredibly valuable for plant care. Chop the banana peel into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Then, cover them with water. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicic acid, and sulfur, making them highly nutritious for plants. With this mineral boost, your cactus will bloom abundantly and the flowers will be strong. Put a carrot in your peace lily. Your plants will bloom like never before. Fertilizing houseplants is key to their health and lush growth. Without the right nutrients, plants lose vitality, leaves turn yellow, and flowering becomes rare. Instead of chemical fertilizers, make a natural carrot-based plant food. It's an easy and affordable way to nourish your plants without harmful substances. Chop 1 carrot into small pieces. Carrots are rich in vitamins and minerals that support plant growth and health, containing phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Place the chopped carrot into a blender and add a liter of water. Blend until smooth. Before watering your plants, strain the mixture through a sieve. Avoid using the pulp, as vegetable leftovers can attract unwanted insects. Use this liquid fertilizer every 15 days to water your peace lily or other houseplants. Soon, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger roots, and more frequent vibrant blooms. Embrace natural care methods and enjoy beautiful, healthy plants all year round. 1 tablespoon can replace a ton of manure. From now on, you won't need to buy expensive plant products. This mixture can replace many different fertilizers, delivering incredible results in your garden. Here's how to make it. Prepare a blender. First, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar promotes the growth of soil microorganisms and increases the amount of organic matter, which helps plants grow and develop better. Add 3 small teaspoons of potato starch. Potato starch contains 3 essential elements for plant growth: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. These elements ensure that plants grow properly. Next, add a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is an effective fungicide and helps plants absorb nutrients. It also has antibacterial properties that protect plants from diseases. Pour half a liter of water into the blender and blend everything thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Then, dilute the mixture with an additional liter of water. To use the mixture, measure out 1 cup and dilute it in 10 liters of water. Use this solution to water and spray the soil and plants. This is an excellent fertilizer for vegetables, flowers, and other garden plants.